Animal people. Why they don't behave like this? Now so they are saying. I wonder why I live with this animal. And I pray to God, make you give me another person who will do. Because as you may do so, I don't like that at all. But see everywhere I just did it. No person, none of them to come and sweep the place. He just did it. Why all this kind of thing? Hey!
Good morning, Baba.
The law.
Baba, I've told you to stop calling me the law. I'm only a Paralegian. I'm not a lawyer.
You be Caribbean.
Paralegian. I'll tell you more about that later. It's an organization, but I will explain more. I mean, that one is for another day. By the way, I could hear your murmuring from my room.
No, they're okay. Because see this your co-tenant, the way they behave like animal.
Jesus!
See, they no fit to sweep the floor. Everywhere just dey dirty and smelly. Say they won't take a pandemic and enter this my house. I mean, they wouldn't be that. I tell you, I won't make them come out there. I go flush them out. Useless people.
Baba, I've told you to call a general meeting and explain your plight for everyone. Make a roster for sweeping and other hygiene duty. With that, there will be peace for everyone.
So, the thing where you talk, me say, make I call a meeting.
Call every one of us, sir.
Hey, okay. That one. Look, you dey advisable. You good well. That's why I dey pray to God. You no go come up for this my house. Now there you go dey forever.
Hey, Baba, you know boys now, we have to jama and struggle. Then later, you have to settle down. So I'll build my own house too, Baba.
If God give you money to build a house, you go build a house, but you no go come up for this.
Baba, you funny, wow. Baba, even if you have to adopt me, it have to be on written. You know my word now. It's okay, sir. I have to take my leave. When I come back, I'll come and see you.
Wait. Every time you go say you go take your leave, Where my own leave? You not go leave my leave for me.
Yeah, I will leave your leave. I will leave your leave. I will not take your own leave. It is my own leave I will take.
Baba,
you don't go keep person, Baba.
You never die. Person never die.
For the entertainment always.
Thank you, beloved. Thank you.
My friend, the gullible. Gullible, my friend.
How you manage to come this very early?
As I was about passing this place, I said I must not pass in the front of the palace without greeting the king. So that's why I said.
So early, but where you go?
I want to see somebody.
To see somebody?
Very close to this place.
My good friend.
What?
Every time you want to see somebody. One day I go know that somebody where you want to see.
Your mind is dirty. Your mind is dirty. And the person I want to see is my brother. Don't mind me. Now it's this idiot woman that went to report me to my brother. She came to me that she want to rent shop. I told her the price of the shop. Now she said she should go and inspect the shop. Later she said something is not good in the shop, that she have to repair it. It is not my business to repair shop for you. Later she now came and she said what she spent in the shop is amounting to 3 months rent. I did not talk. She moved into the shop. She was using the shop. I was counting my money. She was moving into the shop. I was counting my money. She was using the shop. I was counting my money. Later, she now said, well, it is 9 months. I said, madam, the money you gave me is just for 9 months rent. And she said she will spend 1 year. Where? I did not argue. I went to local government. All of us are under the law now. I went to local government. As I see Bobe, I explain. And Bobe, as a man of the law, he charged me 4,000.
Yeah?
I gave him. He gave me area boys. They came to the shop. Throw away the woman. All her belongings. The fridge, everything. Scatter everything. Now the shop is free. I want to rent it out. The idiot now go and report me to my brother. What can my brother do?
See, you dey wise well. Wise men and brave men, na him you be.
Yes.
Hey! I tell you, okay, you know the thing wey you do for me. I won't do as you do so.
Okay.
You go help me. Because this house, I get some co-tenant. Tenant there. They live there. If you see them, the way they behave, all the land, they know they sweep the floor. Every place they dirty. I won't flush them out and take another person for inside that place.
Now you dey pity them.
Eh?
As a landlord, you don't even have any reason to send your tenant away. You can just sleep in the night like this. And you just dream. You just see one tenant that is fighting you. You wake up the following man and say, Mr. Man, you are leaving my house. And we eject the tenant. And nothing will happen in this country. Yes.
You go help me.
I will wait for you, no problem. I want to see my uncle. So when I'm coming back, I will check on you. Gullible, Gullible, my friend.
I tell you. Hey, hey.
Bo bad boy.
One and only landlord.
Bo bad boy.
About.
How you dey?
Yes, sir. Well done, sir. Now the one we say give us, now we dey do so. Baba, me now this woman want to rent an apartment, so that's why I bring her here.
Okay. Say, he don't tell you as everything be. You don't tell her.
Baba, me I don't everything.
So you ready to rent the house now? You ready well?
I don't ready you. Don't ready, Baba. So you sure now?
How you want to leave the house?
What actually happened? I have a house at Abuja, but my work transferred me back down here. So I'm just spending 6 months to just gather myself before I can move back. So I'm only renting for just 6 months. That's what I said.
Who go there with you?
Only me.
Only you?
Yes, sir. Yes. That's
Because
only me.
I know the first for all my tenants.
I tell her now.
But some people go come alone. So plenty people go come, begin they use a toilet, they use this thing, then go they now him be the thing.
I don't tell her everything. Say.
He explained everything to me, and I'm
So-
okay with it. I understand. Yes.
dey okay?
Yes, I'm
You
okay.
dey
with
okay?
it. Yes.
For me, I get anybody who want rent the house here. I get my own this thing where they give them. The place where you go reach, the place where you no go reach, I go tell the person. So now so my own be. Because I get some place here where I know they want make them perambulate for that side.
In this house.
Yes.
Okay.
For this place now, see sometimes they meet my ancestors for this corridor here. Now there. Sometimes when I sit down here, I go to see my papa. We don't die for long. Here, for this place. And this place, as it is so, I don't want to make them gather anything there. Make it just day like this. Because now there, me I dey meet all my Ogun, Sango, everything. Now there. I don't want any, as you say, not only you.
Yeah.
I don't want to make everybody just the parabolate here. Make the parabolate here. Eh?
Okay.
Now the thing be the thing.
No problem. I'm okay with that. If that's the case, I'm okay.
You there okay?
Yes.
One and only landlord.
Now what time you go pay?
I'm ready to pay now.
she don't ready
I'm
now.
moving in tomorrow. If
Eh?
everything is okay, I'm okay.
No wala. Say you don't hear the thing we are telling you.
I understand everything.
Make you no
Baba,
pack
no
anything
problem.
put
I
in here.
understand. I won't
Make
put
this
anything
place
here.
free. And they meet my ancestors there.
Yes,
And
now.
And this place
sometimes
has to be clean every time. I understand.
and you go make you dey clean the place, make you dey clean well.
That one is not a problem, sir.
Eh.
I will do
Sometimes you fit hear noise where I say, "Hey, Baba! Oh! Hey, Baba! Oh! Hey, Baba!"
that.
Make
Am
you
I
no
safe?
fear.
No,
I
no
dey.
fear now.
Now the time where I met my papa be that.
No problem, sir.
I go say, "Hey, Baba! Hey, Baba!" If to give you get a higher for house,
Okay.
you fit Just put them down.
One and only landlord.
No problem, sir.
You ready?
I'm
Don't
fully
ready,
ready,
Baba.
sir.
Oh, yeah, make it.
I'm making carry and come.
Me, I go make out.
Okay, Baba.
So you want?
So I make see her now. So we go enter together now.
Huh?
We go enter together now. No me carry and come.
The day when you enter call that day, I know the thing we have.
No, that no go happen.
Oh, yeah, make you go.
No problem, sir.
Now my client, sir. One and only landlord.
Hey, I answer you.
No fear, Baba.
Who is the owner of this load here? This world is wicked though. And this man gullible call himself my friend. And he's marrying another wife. He did not tell me. What are we friends for like this now? I mean, this is not a woman luggage. All these boxes now, they are women luggage now. It cannot be tenant now, Abi. It cannot be tenant. Because they know that this is the favorite place of my friend. And nobody dare put anything here. Definitely, he's a woman. Abi? This. Okay. Hey. No problem. Galibu! Galibu! Galibu!
Hey, my friend.
Who's your friend?
God know the thing we did for inside my belly. Now your hands are saying, make I just dey come. Make I come meet you. Yeah?
No, give me that one. No, give me that one. And what you have done, you have really disappointed me. Your behavior, I don't understand. If you want to marry as a friend, I am supposed to be your best man. I don't even want to marry. Now you decided to marry that you did not tell me. Even they brought all the bride, this thing, everything, they put it outside. You still did not tell me. If I did not come to this house, what will happen? People will think I am wicked, Abi. Are we quarreling? Are we quarreling, my friend?
Me go get married. And if I won't get married, say I no go tell you, no baby and you be friend.
I don't know.
No, for this age, for me to go and marry again, I no want to carry wahala for head. See, make I tell you, that load where you see there, that useless woman, where rent my house here, na him cause the problem. See, he park load there, he park for inside, all the load where they inside, everything full palm. This one sef, he full. The place where I dey sit down for that place, he don't occupy all the place. So I don't see the place where I go stay again. So now be the thing. No, I won't make a pack comot for my house. I don't tire for that woman. All the thing where they do self, he don't tire me. Sometimes he go come home, he go come late, they do yama 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 yama. They go. See, I don't tire. Make I don't lie for you. I don't tire. And he pay me 6 months. He pay me for 6 months. It just use 5 months. And I want make it come out. So the remaining 1 month will be make I let her use the thing. Make it come out. Or make it come out for my house now. I don't want wahala. I don't tire. I don't know the thing we are going to do.
So he's tenant. Ordinary. Let me put ordinary. It is ordinary tenant that is giving you problem. Now, that is a tenant that put load at that place.
He give me problem.
But my friend, who rewind your brain now? Because you are not like this before. What happened to you now? How can a tenant be mashing your head in your own on your own property? It's wrong.
You know, I won't make it come out for my house. I don't plan that one before. But na law, the way they live here. Now he tell me say if the woman won't come out for this my house, and na only 5 months he use out of 6 months where he pay money. He say I must to allow her to finish that 6 months, and after that one he go use another 3 months again. Now law tell me that one.
Why are you like this now? That the law that you see, does it look like somebody that have brain? Yeah, the lawyer you are calling me is a title. It's not a qualified lawyer. It's not a lawyer. It's not working anywhere. It's just a stupid man that is owning that is living in this house.
You know, say anything wey law wan talk like this, you go put law there.
Because he knows that you are ignorant. He knows you don't know anything about the law. It is not the country that built this house for you, even though you inherited it from somebody. It is not the country that built this house for you. It is a simple thing. And now that I am aware, I will put solution. They call me Mr. Solution. Where is the stupid tenant? Call her for me. Where is she?
She no dey for house. She no dey.
She's not around.
She no dey around.
Very good. Anytime she come back, you will tell her to leave this house. She cannot be messing up in this place and be doing all this nonsense. She have to go.
We will break her head. Break her head.
Yes. If it gets on there, we go break her head. Who did things?
Good afternoon, sir.
No greet me good afternoon. Yeah? See, the one where I dey now, I don't change patapata for the thing where you dey see before. I don't tire for you. I don't tire well. You hear? Pack comot for my house. You don't stay. You don't. So make you pack all your load there and the one wey dey for outside. Pack everything. I don't want to see you again. You hear? Wait.
Baba, even though if I have to leave your house, it is not like this. And moreover, I paid you 6 months. And I only used 5 months out of the 6 months. That means if I have to leave, you have to refund me back all my money. Because I can't leave until you refund me.
You lie! What stupid grammar that you are supposed to use and build house, you are using it to rent house. You are saying movement to somebody to what? You are going to leave this house. You are giving this my friend, giving him problem, and you are going to leave this house. You are leaving this house, nothing more.
Who are you?
Dr. Wuni.
I don't have any business with you. I don't pay you any money, so I don't have anything to say to you. I only want to talk to Baba. Baba, even if I have to leave your house, which I will leave eventually, you have to refund my money. You have to refund, or else, Baba, you won't like me. The color you see, you won't like it. And as for you, I don't have any.
What will you do? You cannot do anything, Chinese woman. You go back to your country. I will make sure. Wait. I will make sure if you don't package this out. I will make you disappear. Look, what nonsense is that? Look, what is too like talk? Look what John or even Matthew or Joshua. What stupid thing are you saying? Look what. You will not allow us to talk. Look, yeah. I don't know what is disturbing these people. Small time they say they are not making money. Ordinary Okada disturbing us not to go to party. But in some cases, it's small. Oh, my friend, I noticed something, even if you don't tell me. Because the last time I came now, this place was filled with this young woman load that she back here. Now she has removed her luggage. Me, I think at least the next thing now is we should be happy now that another tenant is coming.
That's what don't be the thing where they do me be that. See the load where they pack come out for here. That one a small thing. The person will carry the load come out here. I no see him. See him. I don't go look for inside the house. I no see the woman. I go look the door. I knock door. And nobody answer me. I want tell the woman make a pack come out for my house. Not be the load where he pack come out for here. That be the problem. But the inside that room self, I want make it come out to there. I call them. I call everybody. Nobody answer me. You don't lock the door. You just lock the door. I don't see anybody there.
Are you saying the woman locked door?
Yes.
Is she her father property? I mean, it's her family property. What kind of insolence is this now? How can somebody lock somebody property? That means he lock you outside in your property. Why are these people like this? You have the effrontery to lock somebody door, hold the key, and it's not your father property. The law.
The law. Why you they do me like this? I don't look for inside the house. I don't see you. I lock your door. You know nobody enter. I want to see that woman wait there for inside that house. Baba. I don't see the woman. He locked the door. I don't see him there.
You mean Mrs. Williams? She moved out over a month ago and the room is free. So you saying the door is locked, it was surprising me. Or maybe she locked it because she have some valuables there.
So you know about it. This is under the law is conspiracy. You are conspiring to dupe your landlord. You live in this house as tenant. Somebody park out, and you know the landlord has already said the woman should park out. Now she left this house. She locked the door. She hold the key. You know about it. This is stupid thing. And you are saying she has one stupid valuable, which valuable can be valuable in somebody's property. It's nonsense.
Look,
Sorry, sir.
I don't want to use juju for you people where they live for my house. That's why I just dey tell people like that.
My friend, there is solution. I'll call my carpenter. This is not, I've been in this business for so long. I'll call my carpenter. The carpenter will come. He will break an entry. He will break the door. Area boys will enter and come and destroy everything inside.
I'm sorry, sir. I would suggest you contact her to come and unlock the door.
We are not only going to break an entry. We are going to break ShopRite. We are going to break more. Break everything. This is our property. And nobody can hold my friend ransom on his property.
No, so then they do me. That's what they do me.
I'm sorry. Can I take my leave now?
Whether you like to take it or you leave your leave. Yeah? Whether you take your leave or you leave your leave.
Go now.
What about?
He cannot even get sense, issue. If he gets sense, he don't get money to build house. Foolish man, foolish tenant.
What you think I do?
We'll go and arrange area boys now. Everything you scatter it.
Na imported though.
Na imported.
No be ordinary imported sef. I think it come from Germany.
Yes. You sabi?
Na today I go jam am. Don't worry.
You go jam am?
Don't worry. I will do am. Don't worry, I will spoil am now. Everything will be okay.
Abeg, make you no spoil am. Make you do am fine. Make you no spoil am.
No be you come in make I come spoil am. Shebi I will spoil am before you enter room.
I no say make you spoil am o. Do am the way wey I go take to just remove am.
Let him do the work. Now it's his office. Now you know what to do. He's a professional. We have been working together now since this man.
Over 20 years I started this job. The carpentry job. I do the like I come out from my oga. I use this 7 years. Immediately I come start build the posi. By the time I no see customer again, now I make my name turn to Ramani Spoiler.
Spoiler?
Yeah.
Hey, why you be a spoiler?
Ramani Spoiler.
Don't worry, Baba. Don't worry. Now my job. You don't forget the one where I do for Somolu.
Mr. John, that you destroy.
I spoil am. In fact,
Me, I no be Mr. John. Abeg, make you no destroy this one. Just comot am, make I see way to enter.
see, this work, if I wan do am, I will enter for roof. Na the roof I will enter. Go do am for inside.
No do roof o.
It's the roof that will be easy. Once you enter through the roof, it will just remove from the entrance. Enter into the, now just one ceiling go destroy. Come down and everything will be fine. After how many minutes?
In fact, I dey think make I spoil this burglary and take this here enter.
No do that one. No do that one. No do that one.
The ceiling is good. They are giving money. How much?
Money.
How much?
Everything, sir, because we are we. Bring 7,000.
You don't know say this thing wey you wan do, you wan destroy something. So you wan collect that big money for destroyer.
Seven no big yo. 7 no big yo. 7 no big yo.
Okay, come
7,000.
Come take money.
This one now, what do you want to do with?
If that man come, the man wey say he wan rent house. When he pay money, I go buy all the thing wey we do am. I want all that land, the small one wey dey there. I want take am to do self-contained for that man, so that he go dey there. So na so I want. And backyard sef, I go get the one.
Gullible. Gullible. You just have property, you don't have building experience. Then you consult people that have building experience. How can you be? don't know, that place is too shocking. It's too shocking. Jesus! Okay, what do you want to do with this place? This open place now. When you are not Aliu that is using in front of us for Mochalachi, what do you want to do here? Do you want to be doing market here?
Don't talk that one.
See, when they breathe like this now, they leave this place. Breeze like this can enter into this. Which breeze do you need?
That one go be small breeze. Abeg, make it the breeze dey plenty.
You don't know how to do business. That's not your tenant. Who invited police? If my heart now, why?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. I am Inspector Olugbenga Akinwumi from Arubieye Police Station. This madam here came to our office to report a case that you people break into her apartment. She's missing some huge amount of money, worth 500,000 naira with some jewelries. So, Baba, you are an old man. You are not supposed to take laws into your hands. So, but at the same time, you just need to follow us to the station to settle the case.
Baba, didn't I warn you? I told you not to break an entry into Mrs. Williams' rooms. I told you it is punishable under the law. Even if you are going to break into her room, the order has to come from the court. Now, you choose to follow your friend that doesn't even know what the law means. Now, you see the consequence.
They say burglary, abi? They don't put proof. Hey, look, I heard the thing when you talk. Now they obey you because they talk true about the law. But what they push me, oh, the people who push me, they never this one, they never die. You. The people who push me, they never die. You. Okay, okay, what do you go do now?
You just need to follow us to the station so we'll settle the whole issue.
Okay, make we talk the thing finish here. Because when we break the house, we don't see anything there. Anything no there, they don't pack and come out. Abi no be so?
Abi money. What is Abi that you are looking at? What is my own with Abi? Did I, which break did you break? Where did you break?
Now who bring Ramon to come and say make we broke the thing? We be carpenter.
Who is Ramon? Who is carpenter?
Your carpenter.
Who is carpenter?
When you say you and him go break God's house, you go break up the house.
Which God? I don't. What are you? Why are you talking like this? Is it old age? Are you that old now? That old age is your problem now. And why are you trying to rope me now? Hey, officer, please do your job, oh. Do your job, oh.
Now lie you. Now me and him do the thing. Now 2 or 4 we go, and you go just tell them say we don't see anything for inside that room. Oh, yeah, sleep.
I go dust your face too. I will dust your face. Because when this man was talking, he was only looking at you. Not say Babas. He said, Baba, you are going with them to station. Why are you bringing me into your problem?
I'll make you go.
You know you are the accused now.
You don't know say all this kata now you push me to the thing.
Push you. When I was pushing you.
Hey!
Baba.
Let me now. I'll give you gum shot.
Go. Yeah, go.
Baba, with due respect.
No problem.
Go.
You went to pay police.
Go!
No problem.
Go!
No problem. No problem. No problem.